RC Jones here again. I got the fire team again. I'm gonna do some ramps again. Let's go. Here it is, fire team again. Let's go. So move the ramp. Since my last video, I like it, even though I destroyed the grating. Like really destroyed it this time. But let's see what we can do here. Hopefully that's not the same for this. All right. Oh, yeah. Oops. Okay, avoid that. I think this battery's almost okay. Oh! 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 Oh no! Uh-oh. She bite. Oh, twice? Oh man, I did it again. Oh, this one really bit it though. Oh, it looks like the front hub too. Hopefully that just came loose and didn't break. Oh, fire team down. Fire team down. That was just great. That's a bad place for that. I don't think I'm gonna put the ramp there again. 2 6S trucks down again. It's my favorite too. Damn it. Alright guys, that was a short one. To the next one.